What if we told you that the future of politics might lie in the hands of artificial intelligence? Yes, you heard it right. The world of politics is experiencing a paradigm shift, with artificial intelligence, AI, playing an increasingly significant role. Now, let's talk about India, the world's largest democracy where AI has started to leave its mark. Take, for example, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has been a trailblazer in using AI to connect with his diverse electorate. India, with its linguistic diversity, presents a unique challenge for politicians to communicate their message across. But with AI, this challenge turns into an opportunity. Imagine a political leader's voice, cloned and used to deliver a message in multiple languages, reaching out to millions of people in their native tongues. This is no longer a figment of imagination, but a reality. Thanks to AI, Modi's voice has been digitally replicated, enabling him to sing popular songs in various languages. This innovative use of AI has made his campaign messages not just entertaining, but also accessible to a wider audience across India's linguistically diverse regions. But how does this work? Platforms like Covers AI have developed voice models of global politicians, including Modi, allowing users to create meme songs. While the aim is to entertain and express fandom, it has a larger political purpose. By making Modi's campaigns accessible to a wider audience, it has the potential to influence the world's largest election, the 2024 Indian general elections, which is currently underway. Beyond the entertainment and political reach, the use of AI in political communication also brings in a host of questions and concerns. As we delve deeper into the intersection of AI and politics, issues around regulation, transparency, and the potential for misuse of synthetic media come to the fore. So, the question is, how does Modi and his party, BJP, utilize AI to their advantage? As we journey through this video, we'll explore how AI is shaping the political landscape and redefining the way politicians connect with their electorate. Stay tuned. Modi's party, BJP, has been harnessing the power of AI to connect with the Indian populace on a deeper level. The rise of free AI voice cloning tools has made it possible to create videos featuring the digitally rendered voice of Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself. Imagine hearing your leader singing popular songs in your local dialect. Now, that's a unique way to campaign, isn't it? You see, India is a country brimming with linguistic diversity. With each state, the language changes, the dialect varies, and with it, the political messaging needs to adapt. Traditional methods can only do so much in bridging this gap. But AI, it's a game changer. By using AI voice cloning tools, Modi's voice can be adapted to any language, any dialect. This strategy has enabled Modi's campaigns to reach the nooks and crannies of India, making his message more accessible and relatable to the masses. But it's not all business. There's a fun side to it as well. Platforms like Covers AI offer access to voice models of global politicians, including Modi's. Users are creating meme songs using these models. It's Modi's voice, but it's singing your favorite song. This blend of politics and pop culture serves to entertain, engage, and endear the audience. It's a clever way to keep the political conversation going without it feeling like a lecture. But as with any technological advancement, there are concerns. The misuse of synthetic media, the need for regulation, the call for transparency, these are all valid points of discussion. However, as long as due process is maintained, using AI voice clips for satire and comedy could be considered legitimate. After all, who wouldn't want to hear their leader belt out a tune in their own language? With AI, Modi's voice is now more far-reaching than ever before. However, the use of AI in politics, while innovative, is not without its controversies. Let's delve into that a bit. When it comes to AI in political communication, one can't help but raise an eyebrow at the potential for misuse of synthetic media. Imagine, if you will, a digitally rendered voice of a politician saying things they've never said or singing songs they've never sung. It's amusing, sure, but it also opens up a Pandora's box of possibilities. What if these AI voices are used to spread misinformation or propaganda? What if they're used to sow discord or stir up unrest? The potential for misuse is very real, and it's something we need to be cognizant of. This brings us to the topic of regulation, and it's a tricky one. On one hand, there are calls for bans or greater control over AI voice cloning. It's a preventative measure, a way to nip potential problems in the bud. But on the other hand, there are those who argue for the legitimacy of using AI voice clips for satire and comedy, as long as transparency and due process are maintained. They see it as a form of expression, a way to entertain and engage. This debate is far from black and white. It's a complex issue filled with shades of gray. It's about striking the right balance between innovation and regulation, between freedom of expression and potential misuse. And it's a debate that's not just confined to India. As AI becomes more prevalent in global politics, countries around the world will have to grapple with these same questions. They'll have to navigate the choppy waters of technology and policy, trying to find the right path forward. The use of AI in politics is a double-edged sword with potential benefits and pitfalls. It's a tool that can be used to reach a wider audience, to engage and entertain. But it's also a tool that can be misused, with potentially serious consequences. It's an exciting yet daunting new frontier in the world of politics. And as we move forward, it's crucial that we tread carefully, mindful of the potential risks and rewards. So, what does the future hold for AI in politics? As we look towards the horizon, it's clear that artificial intelligence is set to play a colossal role in the upcoming 2024 Indian elections, projected to be the world's largest democratic event. Despite the controversies and calls for regulation, AI is poised to revolutionize future political campaigns. Imagine the potential of reaching out to India's linguistically diverse regions, engaging them with personalized messages in their native languages, all thanks to AI. This is what the BJP party, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is harnessing to connect with the people on an unprecedented scale. AI's ability to clone voices and create engaging content can make politicians more accessible, relatable, and appealing to the masses. But it's not just about memes and songs. It's about communicating policies, visions, and ideas in a way that resonates with every individual, regardless of their language or location. But with great power comes great responsibility. While AI offers immense potential, it's equally important to maintain transparency and due process to prevent the misuse of this powerful tool. Regardless of the challenges, AI's role in politics, as demonstrated by Modi and BJP, is likely to grow, shaping the future of political campaigns.